Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Gangstar Mirage City online app not working, not opening, keep stopping or not starting problem on Android phones. So here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. Now the first fix is to simply restart your device. So just restart your device and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then simply check internet connection and make sure that your internet is working properly. Now if you're connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then check. And if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to different Wi-Fi network or mobile data network via hotspot and then check. Next fix is to force stop Gangstar Mirage City online app. So tap and hold the Gangstar Mirage City online app and then tap on app info. Then tap on force stop and confirm it. Then go back, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then clear the Gangstar Mirage City online app cache. So again tap and hold the app icon, then tap on app info, then tap on storage usage and then tap on clear cache and confirm it. Then go back, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then you have to clear the app data. So again tap and hold the app icon, then tap on app info, tap on storage usage and then tap on clear data. Now please take a note over here. Clearing the app data will delete app data including files and settings permanently from this device. So if you agree, only then tap on delete to confirm and then you can go back, launch the game and check. Next fix to connect to VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and search for it. And then you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store such as Turbo VPN, Proton VPN, Ninja VPN, Secure VPN, Brave VPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store. Then launch the VPN app and then connect to a different location than your current location. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then last solution is to reinstall Gangstar Mirage City online app. So open Play Store, tap on search for Gangstar Mirage City online and then tap on it. Then tap on uninstall and then just restart your device once. And once your device restart, then tap on install button to reinstall it and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then you must check the Gangstar Mirage City online app server status. And if you find that Gangstar Mirage City online server is down or having any kind of outages, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for the server status to get back online and then you can check back later. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix Gangstar Mirage City online app not working, not opening, keep stopping or not starting problem on Android devices. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.